Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Pelvic organ prolapse quantification system classification.
Is already dealt. Next.
So with the help of these, we do three measurements: genital hiatus, perineal body, and transverse total vaginal length are measured.
So, so with the help of this pelvic organ prolapse classification, we are going to measure three things: genital hiatus, perineal body, and transfer total vaginal length are measured.
thank you and thank you for watching.